Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram music not available in your region. Alright, so let's say like when you try to use the Instagram music feature, or let's say you want to listen to somebody's video with music on it and it says no audio because Instagram music is not available in your region. Well, there's one way to fix it, and it might work for you, it might not. It worked for some people, it didn't. Alright, so just try it. If it works, it's good for you. If it doesn't, then you can just wait for some time until Instagram music rolls out in your country. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. So in the first attempt, download a VPN. You can download whichever VPN you want. You can download the free one over here. So I downloaded this VPN called Unlimited Proxy over here. So let me just go to App Store and show you which VPN it is. And go on App Store over here and search for VPN. Once you search for it, it should be over here, VPN Proxy Unlimited Shield. You can download it. So this is a free VPN and it allows you to connect to a lot of country. They do have ads, but it's free, so you can use it. And once you open VPN, connect to USA. If USA is not available, make sure you connect to a country where Instagram music is available. After you connect to it, go on Instagram, go on your profile at the bottom, click on plus at the top, go on versus story. Once you click on story, you want to go on camera. Now over here you can make a video or click a photo. I'm going to click a photo, and you can click on the smiley icon at the top of your screen over here. Once you do that, you can see music over here. You can click on music and choose whichever music you want. Alright, but sometimes even after using VPN, it doesn't show us music over here. In that case, what you need to do is, you need to create a new Instagram account. And when creating a new Instagram account, make sure you're using the VPN. So turn on the VPN and go into Instagram sign up page and create yourself an account using VPN. What happens when you do that is Instagram is basically gonna think you're the citizen of that country, whichever country your VPN is connected to. And when you create account through that, you're gonna have feature of Instagram music. Alright, so try both of the methods, it should work. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix Instagram music not available in the region. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time.